Hi everybody, I'm back. I'm going to talk about some quick and easy ways to generate prompts in the next few videos. Before I show you the first prompt template, two quick tips. So I've been using SD for now. You should know that if you want to make something more important, let's say I have a one girl prompt here, you want to have your image generate really just one girl. What most people will do is just do one girl, semicolon, 1.2 or 1.4. This will make this prompt become more important. You can also group a set of prompts like this into one bracket here and then just put semicolon 1.2, so every prompt here will have the increased weight of 1.2. So that's tip number one. You can group prompts together into a similar weight rather than you typing 1.2 individually for every single prompt. There's no need for that. The other second quick tip is actually a shortcut. Let's say if I want to add more weightage to this prompt, flowers, you just press, and I'm using a Mac here, Command Shift up arrow, and you have 1.1. You press another time, holding Command and Shift, you press the up arrow another time, you get 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Similarly, by holding Command and Shift, you press down arrow, it will decrease the prompt, right? And it goes back to default. Default prompts have the weight of 1. And if you want to press another down arrow, you go to 0.9, which makes it less important than your normal prompts with nothing else. And you can go 0.8, 0.7. Okay, that's all I have to show for these two tips. Let me go into the actual chat template, which I want to show everybody. I've been looking around in simplesai. There's this guy here who gave a very good template. He used it for Slack. You can repurpose this for Chat GPT. Same thing, I'll put this link below. All you have to do is go to his page, scroll down, expand his method. And over here in this template, you can actually copy, starting from here, some basic and all the way. Just copy everything. You ignore the Claude first because it's using Slack. What this template does, that it gives you predefined prompts like your raw masterpiece, best quality, photorealistic, etc, best lighting, detailed background. So you don't have to keep typing the same thing all over again. In addition to that, he asks whether it's Chat GPT or any LLM model to give him random prompts like location, time, weather, gender of the person, skin color, photo type, and the type of pose, camera position, facial expressions, skin features, all the way down to eye color. It's very comprehensive, and he actually tells the AI what are the parameters and how each of these random prompts should be generated. Let's try it out. I'm in Chat GPT now. Let me go to a new chat and I just copy and paste this. The whole thing here. Okay, scroll down, click this, yes. So ChatGPT understood he'll generate character portraits based on the Stable Diffusion parameters I listed up above here. I just did this. Give me 10 car prompts, CHAR prompts. Let's enter. Alright, and it's done. I have 10 character prompts. It gives me the standard unchanging settings, and then it gives me variations. There's 10 different variations. So what this does is you can actually learn what a standard, well-balanced Stable Diffusion prompt is, instead of just thinking out of thin air what you should add. One last thing, you're able to fine-tune this. Let's say I just want one girl only, describing variations of one girl wearing fashionable trendy clothes with flowers in a cute cafe. Let's see where this gets us. Alright, I have it. So by altering the base prompt and you tell ChatGPT what consistency you want, it's able to generate the character prompts with the same consistency. Note, it's always in the cafe, there's always one girl, and there's always a prompt with flowers. Okay, what's left is just to copy and paste the prompts back into Stable Diffusion and just paste it in, right? And let's generate. So far so good. This is just a very quick way to generate different kind of prompts and let ChatGPT imagine all these prompts for you. The only thing that I change is just increase the weight of certain things that I feel that I definitely want in it. I definitely want the flower count in. Use the same old trick, Command Shift up arrow to increase the weight. That's all. That's it. This is one way to generate very quick prompts. I will show you another set of templates in the next video. Alright, bye.